Hi guys, here 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 4 times this 4. Here 12 plus 4 is 16 times this 4. Now this is 64 is the answer. This answer is wrong. As per the order of operation, this 64 is wrong. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule as per the order of operation. Here Here this is multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. This is bracket. Now here this both are multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right for this actions. Now we are going to do this problem by using this order of operations PEMDAS so that we'll get correct answer. This order of operation shows that bracket is first. So 12 plus 4 times 4. So here we have addition and multiplication, which is higher priority. This is higher priority than this addition. So 12 plus this is 16. Now we'll get 28 is the correct answer. 28.